You told your AI cooking app you're allergic to peanuts. The next morning, it cheerfully suggested a peanut sauce. That's not a glitch. Your AI Sous-Chef has amnesia, and it's built in on purpose. By the end of this, you'll know why every cooking assistant forgets you, what quietly changed this month, and the one real fix. And no, it isn't a smarter model. Stick around. The moment it forgets even has a number. Nobody tells you the model behind your app doesn't remember anything. Not your name, not your allergies, not yesterday. Every message you send, it rereads the whole chat from scratch, then forgets it the instant it replies. Engineers have a word for this: stateless. That continuity you feel, it's an illusion the app fakes by pasting your history back in every single time. To see why, split the AI in two. There's what it learned in training, frozen, baked in, millions of recipes. And there's state, your kitchen, your diet, this exact conversation. The training is permanent. The state, the model has nowhere to keep it. So your peanut allergy was never really forgotten. It was never somewhere the model could hold it in the place. And it gets weirder. Even inside one chat, there's a cliff. Somewhere around message 15 or 20, the assistant starts to drift. It ignores rules you set. It contradicts what it said 5 minutes ago. It just makes things up. Researchers even named it lost in the middle. The stuff you said early quietly sinks, and the AI stops paying attention to it. In most apps, that's just annoying. Tell it you're lactose intolerant, get dairy-free ideas, then watch it pitch a cheese omelet the next day. 83% of people say they end up repeating themselves to AI. A third call it the most frustrating part of the whole thing. But in a kitchen, forgetting isn't annoying. It's a peanut in a spring roll and a trip to the emergency room. The stakes are just higher near a stove. So the labs are racing to fix it. On June 4th, OpenAI shipped something called Dreaming V3. Instead of a model that forgets, it keeps a running profile of you, synthesized quietly in the background. And the numbers are real. Factual recall jumped from 68 to 83%. But here's the part I love. That memory doesn't live inside the model at all. It sits in a separate layer and gets pasted in at the start of every chat. Even the best fix of 2026 bolts memory on from the outside, which tells you exactly where the fix has to live. Now, I know what you're thinking. Fine, I just want the app that remembers everything. Not quite. Memory cuts both ways. Too little, and you repeat yourself forever. Too much, and it's a privacy minefield. Data that can be breached, subpoenaed, or just quietly wrong. The real question isn't whether your app remembers. It's whether it remembers the right things, somewhere you can actually see and edit. That's the whole bet behind Recipy. Your pantry, your allergies, your preferences, kept as memory that lives in the kitchen, not buried in a chat log. Other apps run on your phone. Recipy runs your kitchen. So, that peanut sauce. It was never the model being dumb. It was the model being stateless, doing exactly what it was built to do. 3 things to take with you. 1, the AI itself remembers nothing. 2, memory is an app feature, not a model feature. 3, the app that holds the right state is the one that wins your kitchen. Next time, I'm asking whether recipe search is already dead and what's quietly replacing it. If this rewired how your AI, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.